Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to lower pitch on Bandlab. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bandlab.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bandlab if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the left side of the screen, we have the trending, following, music and video. We also have the liked posts, albums and playlists. And in the top side of the screen, we have the feed, discover, services, library, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and lower pitch on Bandlab. So first of all, launch Bandlab on your computer or mobile device, as I told you. Then go to your library and open the project containing the audio you want to lower the pitch of. Then click on the audio region that you want to, of course, go and change. So when you're in the library, you'll have your project here. Of course, if you have one, at the moment, I don't have any project. Then click on editor button at the top of the screen. And under pitch shift, use the cross button to lower the pitch. Adjust the pitch to your desired level. So you just need to click on the minus, not cross, sorry, my bad, the minus button to lower the pitch. This will lower the pitch of the audio region without affecting the playback speed. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.